So, it's the next day after the video I made about Margate Lifeguard Tower with the top section there. It's hot and sweaty. Right guys, so got some bags, got the tools, got the gloves in there. Let's head down and as they say, show civic pride. So this is civic pride, guys. See? How's this? Morning. This isn't an easy task, but hey. I'm doing this because I'm showing civic pride. I grew up here, guys. This used to be a fun park. There used to be merry-go-round slides. There used to be a super tube here as well. For those of you that can remember. So there's the lifeguard hats. Check it out. Swimming pool's looking nice though. I just need to make a walkway here. But anyway, let's go see the lifeguard hut. Alright, so here's my task set out for me, guys. This, I'm going to clean. Alright, so let's do this. Woo! Man, thank goodness I've got proper shoes on. I just stood in a nail. This is pathetic. I'm not going to sit here there. Hey, how's it going? So, man, nails. How's it, guys? So, it's that time where you sweat. Woo. Okay, so, guys, I'm ready. I'm showing my civic pride. Cleaning this top of the Right, so for those of you that have recently joined, I'm here at Margate Beach. More specifically, the little office area on top of the lifeguard tower. So from what I've seen, obviously there's a lot of occurrence books here, so I don't know if it was municipal law protection that was up here. I mean, this would be a great spot if they were to move here, have a permanent, you know, municipal lawyer. Well, obviously looking at the state of what happens in here at night, I really think you do. But anyway. Now the fun part. Let's check the glass. Hey man, I don't want to risk it here. There's a lot of glass. So I was thinking, here's a good suggestion. Looking at the exterior here with the paint, it looks, it's not nice, guys. So how's this? Whoever's in charge of this in the municipality, get the schools, and each window, a school can do a mural, and the public over a month or so can come and have a look and decide which mural is the best, and the school wins a prize. So why not do that, guys? Because at the moment now, this looks really, it is a beautiful beach, don't get me wrong, but guys, bit of effort. So there's a suggestion. Get schools, each take a window here and do a nice mural on it. Just a suggestion, guys. If I had time and resources, I'd love to do it. But unfortunately, I'm gonna make a living. But hey guys, there's a saying that goes, you might not take interest in politics, but politics will definitely take an interest in you. I don't want to chance it with this one. Okay, last bag.
Good morning everyone.